Hey everyone, want to remove a video background with Runway ML? In this video, I'll show you how to use Runway ML's AI background removal tool step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Runway ML website. Sign in to your account and open your dashboard. Next, create a new project or open an existing one, then upload the video you want to edit. Now select the *** background removal ** or green screen ** AI tool, depending on the features available in your version of Runway ML. Runway ML will automatically analyze your video and separate the main subject from the background. I mean, videos with good lighting and a clear subject usually produce the best results. Next, fine-tune the mask or edge settings if needed to improve the accuracy of the background removal. If you want, replace the removed background with a solid color, a custom image, or another video clip to create a new scene. Preview the edited video and make any final adjustments until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, export your video in your preferred quality and save it to your device. And that's how to remove a video background with Runway ML. With AI-powered background removal, you can create clean, professional-looking videos without using a traditional green screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.